Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hi everyone. This is my Era Insurance 5-lever padlock. I found the best way to keep the little flap out of my way is to again, use a tiny little magnet. I'm picking this lock once again using tools provided by the legend Andy Mack. This is the same process as before. Looking for the binding lever and nudging it clear. Continually traversing the lever pack until we can get the open. Not only does this lock require a fair amount of tension, the clearance for my tools is really tight, so if it looks like I'm struggling, it's because I am. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.